Are you frustrated with the amount of tech tools it seems like you need in order to deliver a lead magnet? It is extremely overwhelming with the amount of technical tools that are out there in order to deliver one simple lead magnet. Everybody tells you that you need a lead magnet, so you already know that. You've been to coaching, you have bought some programs and courses. You know that a lead magnet is a way to draw in new people to your work or to your business. The amount of tools that it takes to deliver said lead magnet is overwhelming. Sometimes the tools are too complex. It takes a lot to figure out. You need a degree and you need a tutor in order to figure out how to use them. They're complicated. Sometimes they cost, and you may not be at the place where you want to actually pay for these. You'll get a free trial, right? But the free trial is like 7 days. It's not long enough for you to actually get in there and test and see. It's not enough time for you to test and see exactly if you like the tool and if it works for your business. But you don't want to invest in it just yet because you haven't had a chance to use it. Also, is it going to be profitable for your business to have this cost? But all in all, you need a streamlined system to deliver the lead magnet because it's just not time efficient for you to send out the lead magnet to everybody that joins your list, especially when the goal is to run Facebook ads and getting multiple leads a day to introduce people to your lead magnet. If you're getting 10 and 12 people to sign up for your list every day, you can't personally take the time to send them an email with the lead magnet. If you have software that does it for you, then it makes it a streamlined process, one that you can take your hands off of, that runs smoothly. There are tons of systems that you can use to deliver the lead magnet. The system to deliver the lead magnet will collect the email addresses from your subscribers. It will send the email out to the subscribers with the lead magnet, and a lot of them can host the landing page, so the page that people click, the page that people land on to sign up for the lead magnet. And then a lot of the sites, if they host the landing page, they're going to host a thank you page. A few of those systems are Flowdesk, Entreport, MailChimp, and ConvertKit. The system that I started off using was MailChimp. The system that I used to triple the email list that I grew on MailChimp was ConvertKit. It was easy for me to see the dashboard of analytics for how my lead magnets are performing. I also like the fact that they had different flows and automations that you could set up to deliver the magnet. To deliver the lead magnet, I like that they have a tagging system where subscribers can be tagged with specific subscribers will be tagged, if you choose, with different keywords, so that way you can know what they signed up for, to make it easy for you to group and organize them, which will allow you to send more targeted emails specifically to groups of people with specific tags. Also, there were tons of directions for ConvertKit, also lots of YouTube videos. It was pretty popular. So I like ConvertKit. Like I said, I tripled my email list using ConvertKit and running Facebook and Instagram ads. For this project, though, I'm going to use Wix. Why? Because I didn't feel like paying for ConvertKit. So, I mean, the goal for me this year is to be more consistent in my business. I gave up my ConvertKit subscription, and I'm not ready to pay for another one. My website is hosted on Wix, and so Wix, apparently the version of Wix I'm paying for includes email subscribers, so why not use what I'm already paying for, right? Okay. Don't reinvent the wheel here. My goal, my phrase for the year is simple execution, and by using Wix as my as my lead magnet supplier or my lead magnet software, then it allows me to create simple execution. I don't have to revisit my budget and figure out, how much it's going to cost for me to use ConvertKit. I cannot use the free version of ConvertKit because my current email list that is housed inside of ConvertKit requires me to have a paid subscription. So they have a free version, but once you hit so many subscribers, you need the paid version. And this is really about, getting the next 100 subscribers. So once I get that, then I can determine on whether or not I actually want to go and begin paying for ConvertKit. I may actually visit other softwares to see where it'll take me or what I want to use. So the next tool that I'm using is Google Sheets. The lead magnet that I'm distributing is a calculator for helping you calculate the amount of money that you're spending on lead magnets, which is important. So there's no point in spending using Facebook ads and spending money if you don't know how much you're spending and if it's profitable for you. So this lead magnet is a calculator to help you determine how much it costs to obtain a lead. And I will be delivering that lead magnet / calculator through Google Sheets. Google Sheets, why? Because it is simple. It's a platform I already know how to use. Also, my subscribers are likely familiar with Google Sheets, or they're going to be familiar with Microsoft Excel. Google Sheets mirrors Microsoft Excel, so win-win for everybody there. It is also free, okay? Free. It's free. Also, I like Google Sheets because it's like I said, it's like Excel, so I can plug in formulas to help with the calculator. It's easy to use and customize. And that's it. Those are the two systems that I'm going to be using for my lead magnet, which is called the lead generation calculator. I'm going to be using Wix to collect email addresses, send emails that contain the actual lead generation calculator. I'm going to use Google Sheets as the actual lead generation calculator. Simple, because we are working on using simple execution to send out this lead magnet. Next thing will be to actually get Facebook ads running. If you're ready to continue on this journey with me, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video.